Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the ALF token. Name of the token is ALF, ticker symbol is also ALF. Now this is on the BASECHAIN. This token is trending on DEX Tools right now. They're trending number 9. You can find them on DEX Tools, DEX Screener, CoinGecko. They're all over the place. BaseScan. We're going to go over the information on the ALF token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token's Telegram at ALF the Crocodile. So you probably thought it was ALF the Alien from that TV show back in the day. Nah, some reason he's a crocodile and stole that alien's name. 564 subscribers on the Telegram. You can preview the channel before joining. That's a great place to see updates regarding the project if you want to learn more about ALF the Crocodile. Also, you can check out their webpage, alfthecrocodile.com. They have tokenomics, memes, frequently asked questions, their BaseScan, Telegram, Twitter, contract address, uplink. They're on Bubble Maps. They're all over the place. There's a buy button in the top right-hand corner of their webpage that'll take you to Uniswap. So basically how you'd get this token is you would fund your Coinbase wallet or MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet with ETH, and then you would bridge that ETH to Base, and then you would go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, alfthecrocodile.com, you would trade your Base for the ALF token using that contract address. Now there's a lot of new popular Base tokens out there these days, and I've done a few videos on different ones today, so check out those other ones on my channel. And you can find their Twitter right in the corner of the screen here, as usual, at ALF on Base, blue verified checkmark, 527 posts. In the banner there, you can see he's partying with the boys club. Pepe, Landwolf, Brett, and Andy. Sitting around, he's got his headphones on. ALF the Crocodile, created by Matt Fury and great friend of Boys Club, is the life of any party. Join our exclusive party only on Base. I wonder if he named it actually after ALF the Alien. I know these other characters are like, you know, Pepe's kind of like Kermit the Frog, and there's, Bird Dog's kind of like Big Bird. And they're all like Fozzie, I guess, is Landwolf. They're all sort of like different characters from the Muppets and Sesame Street. And yeah, I wonder where the crocodile character comes from. I'll have to look into that. So June 2024, they just joined Twitter. That's how brand new this token is. 1,499 followers. And yeah, they show their DEX screener chart in one of their tweets. It says, "Be Alpha." Welcome to ALF the Crocodile. ALF is at the heart and soul of any party and a wild ride buddy everyone dreams of. Get ready to ride the wave of fun with ALF, the MEMECOIN legend. They have links to CoinGecko on their page, Flu's Trade, all sorts of different links there. ALF the Crocodile, inspired by Matt Fury's character, is the ultimate party animal and the best bro in the Boys Club. So I guess he's just in the Boys Club comic books. Wherever ALF goes, laughter and chaos follow. When he shows up, the fun doesn't just start, it explodes. Brave, loyal, and hilariously irreverent, this wacky CROC always has a new babe, a flashy sports car, and a wild business idea that sometimes flirts with the law. In short, ALF is at the heart of any soul of any party and the wild ride for anybody that wants to party. Now, the tokenomics here, 85% of the tokens go to the liquidity pool. 5% goes to marketing. 5% goes to central exchange listings, 3% team, 2% dev. ALF the Crocodile meme contest is now live. Unleash your creativity by creating memes that blend the mythical ALF token with the vibrant crypto universe. Show us your best takes on how ALF dominates the crypto waters and stand a chance to win big. Dive into the fun and let the memes flow. Show us your best takes on how ALF dominates the crypto waters and stand a chance to win big. Dive into the fun and let the memes flow. So there is 0% buy and sell tax, it says. So if you do buy or sell this token from UNISWAP or BASECHAIN or wherever you get this token, SushiSwap, wherever, you probably will not have to set slippage. It says 100% secure, LP locked for 6 months initially in order to prioritize the safety of investors. The liquidity for ALF, the Crocodile, is locked until December 2024, and you can check that out. They have tons of memes on their page, and why they put the memes on the page is for people to, shill out the token, share the memes on their socials. So here's a quote here. It says, "In the murky depths, patience and silence are the ultimate weapons. The true hunter knows the value of waiting, watching, and striking when the moment is perfect." And that is from the Crocodile from One Piece, that anime. Feel the moonlit touch. In Crocodile we trust. For it is the swift attacker and the silent guardian, the master of patience and the emblem of power, all rolled into an enduring force. So you can buy on Uniswap. They also have a link to buy on Flu's Trade, contract address. They have a contact email, info@alfthecrocodile.com, in case you need to reach out. And contract address is all over the place. So this token is up 27.1%. According to CoinGecko, they have a 24-hour trading volume of $210,379, over $2 million market cap. On CoinGecko, you can find their contract address, webpage, Basescan, Telegram, Twitter, Warpcast, Zora.co, Flus, all sorts of links on there. Check it out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? It also says this token is available on Matcha, MATCHA, and is paired with USDC and WETH. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.